Welcome back. I just wanted to do a quick update on what we're doing with the channel. Hopefully this just comes across as like, haha, he's funny. Welcome back. Jesus, how many people are gonna drive by? How much eye contact am I supposed to make? I don't know if you've ever talked into a camera before, but it is weird and unusual. If you're from East Texas, did you see the crazy hail that we got? I'll post a stolen picture right here. Yeah, that was like 15 miles from my house. Outside my house, nothing. We did get hail, but it was like pea size, you know, it evaporated immediately. Oh my God, what the yeah, that was wild. We had a heck of a storm. I just wanted to do a quick update. Storm didn't slow anything down. I'm gonna move my upload days from Sunday 6 p.m. until Tuesday at 6:30 p.m. Hopefully help y'all give a little bit more time for y'all to watch. You don't have to be rushing to get ready for the work week. So we're gonna do that. I assume you were hoping to see this 305 come alive, which is already posted on the interwebs. It just won't release until Tuesday. So look forward to that. Until then, here's a short clip of it running. I'll see y'all Tuesday. Listen, am I good at YouTube? No. Am I good at being a mechanic? Also, no.